Hi again. If you're on this site, if you're on this page, if you're on this video, I'm feeling pretty good. I think we got our message across. What was the message again, right? It was the result of this whole entire situation, this lawsuit, it has a direct impact on the end result when you decide to sell your home. What we wanted to present for you today is that you have options. There's a multitude of options you could select and choose from. And at the end of the day, what we're also trying to show and provide is full transparency. No secrets here. No secrets. It's a straightforward approach. It's a full press understanding of exactly what's going on. So what do we do next? How do we connect with one another? Real simple. Go on right here below next to me here, put in your first name, last name, email, and a good telephone number. If you want to put in the message section of it, a good time, best time to call you back, that might also be real helpful because we want to try to always communicate with anybody we work with when we're selling their home the best way we can when they want to be communicated. So, or you can call us directly if you don't want to wait. Call us directly at 215-252-2453. Again, it's 252-2453. Within 24 hours, if you select the submit button, one of our team members will call you back to set up that 30-minute time frame where we'll have the opportunity to go much deeper into all of this and to talk a little bit about your home, the home you're considering selling. So again, thank you so much for spending the time with us today on Sellers Save. I'm Paul Bondi with Home Solutions Realty Group. On behalf of myself and my partner, Len DeFinis, thank you, and we really look forward to helping you get your home sold.